Before I show you anything else in this apartment, I need you to see this. This area right here is Linde in el Poblado. It's one of the most established addresses in the city. This is the area where you move to once you've fully committed to moving down here. If you know this area, then you know names like Parma, Art Living, Wake. This isn't just an up and coming neighborhood. This one has already arrived. We're just a short walk from Provenza, Parque Lleras. We're close to everything that makes this a popular destination for foreigners, but far enough where you can still have that peace and quiet. So what does coming home to Linde actually look like? Let's go in. This room offers a lot. Living, dining, the balcony, all flowing into one space. 122 square meters of open layout. Enough room to actually picture your own furniture in here. And then you also have the balcony that extends the space outward, framing the same skyline from a second angle. Before we keep going, we are Medellin Living Real Estate. We've helped hundreds of people buy a property in the city. When you're ready to buy in the next 30 days and you have a budget of $150,000 or above and you want to work with our proven system, then click on the link down below in the description. It'll lead you to our buyer's form. Fill it out and someone on the team will reach out to you. Now let's go check out the kitchen. This was built in 2005 and everything that you see here is original. It's a galley layout with a gas stovetop and solid bones underneath. Picture the upgrade. New cabinetry, a dishwasher where there isn't one now, maybe even opening up that wall to connect it straight into the living area. This is a kitchen waiting for your decisions, not someone else's already made. And the decisions don't stop in the kitchen. Follow me to the bedrooms. The first guest bedroom is a blank slate for whoever needs it. This could be a kid's room with space to grow into, a guest room, or a home office with a desk against that window and real daylight all day. Before we head into the second guest bedroom, we have the guest bathroom. It's a full bathroom. This is still a turnkey option for anyone who's looking to live here. This is the second bedroom. It's the same size as the first one, but this one has its own private bathroom. Whether this room is for a second kid or a long-term guest or space you grow into later, this is the room that adjusts to whatever comes next. Now let's check out the room that gets first pick of everything. This is the master bedroom, and the best feature of this room is the view right here. This room has the best light in the apartment. It has a real walk-in closet, wraparound shelving, built to be reorganized however you actually live. The ensuite is original too. Imagine it with a glass walk-in shower, double vanities, whatever your morning routine actually needs instead of what came with the apartment. Before we finish, there's one thing I want to be upfront about. I want to be straight with you on something. This apartment is listed at $290,000 US. Finishes are original from 2005. The apartment is well maintained. It's fully livable as you see it right now. Just know going in, this apartment is not renovated. So who is this apartment for? This is for that person, that couple, that family that is fully committed to relocating to Medellin. This apartment in the neighborhood of Linde is perfect for that buyer. Whether you come into this apartment and live how it is right now, or you renovate it to your liking. The rest of the information about this property is down below in the description. And when you're ready to purchase in the next 30 days and you have a budget of $150,000 or more, and you want to work with our proven system at Medellin Living Real Estate, then fill out our buyer's form. The link to that form is down below in the description. Click on the link, fill out the form, and someone will reach out to you as soon as possible. We'll see you guys in Medellin.